NaijaFoodTube.
Hello people, it feels good to be here again. It's your number one favorite food channel, NaijaFoodTube. I'm Kenny. I'll be sharing with you how I prepare okra soup. Okra soup is one of the quickest and easiest Nigerian soup to prepare. Yeah, it is. The soup is known as ila in Yoruba. It's known as miyan kabua in Hausa, okra in Igbo. For today's recipe, I'll be using okra, fresh shrimps, bomo, that's your cow skin, fresh coca, washed crab, some blended crayfish, ugu, oil palm, onion, mackerel, red bell pepper, atarudo, scotch bonnet. I have here salt, seasoning cube. Let's get started. I'll start by grating my okra. I'm actually using a grater, and some people don't find it funny using this process anyways. But please, if you're going to do this, you have to be very careful so you don't end up grating your finger. I mean it because I've experienced it, sometimes, so you have to be very careful not to cut your hand. There are times when I actually make use of knife. Yeah, I cut with my knife. Anything that works for you, or any process of cutting your okra that works well for you, you can just, I think you should just do it, or I suggest you just go ahead and just do what works for you, really. I'll continue by chopping my scotch bonnet. Chop the red bell pepper as well. I'm using the red bell pepper, just like I said earlier, for color. I will dice the onion and set all this aside. I'll debone my washed mackerel. And set aside. I have the goat's meat here. I'm going to add some onion. I will also add salt. I'll have my seasoning cube as well. I'll add water above the meat a bit, yes. I'll cover and allow cook until it's almost dry. So you have to just keep an eye. So yeah, on your meat. I'll add some water because it looks dry. It looks a bit dry, so I'm going to add some water. On to the next one. I'll pour some palm oil into a pot. I'll add some onion and allow saute for like a minute or two. I'll add my atarodum and my red bell pepper. Okay, I'm using the red pepper. I've said it out earlier. I'm using the red pepper for color. You can skip this process if you don't want to. I'll cover and allow cook for 2 minutes. I'll pour my grated okra and stir for a while. I'll add my pomo. I'll add my crayfish. I'll add my cooked goat meat and crab, and also the stock as well. I'll stir. I'll add some water because my okra looks thick. I'll add the fresh shrimps. I'll cover and allow cook for like 5 minutes. I'll add some salt. I'll add seasoning cube. Yeah, it's time to add my fresh fish. I'm actually creating space for my fish to cook properly, because the pot looks jam-packed already with all sorts of rishi. I'll stir. I'll add my mackerel. I'll add the ugu. And cover for like 4 minutes. I have to be careful not to scatter the mackerel, so I'm stirring carefully, gently. I'm shaking for a proper mix. That's why I'm shaking. You can skip this process. Really. Oh yes, as you can see, my okra soup is ready. My okra soup is ready, and it's looking, and I can tell you that it even tastes better than it looks. Really, you can actually enjoy your okra soup, or you can enjoy your okra soup with any swallow of your choice, like eba, like fufu, like semo, or even cabbage fufu. It's very simple and super fast.